If your towels are always piling up, this clever wall-mounted storage rack is the perfect solution. Just attach a towel bar to a simple wood board and you've got an easy, elegant towel storage in seconds. Next, this bare wall gets a cozy makeover with wood panels. Just a few boards and suddenly you've got a spa-like accent wall that makes the whole bathroom feel warmer. It's time to upcycle. First, find some old glass jars and remove the labels. Then, collect some candlesticks to act as the base. The first thing you're going to need to do is spray paint the whole thing. Then, add some custom labels to include in your bathroom. You've just created some boutique-worthy organizers that you can use anywhere, especially in your bathroom. Don't overlook the bathtub. These peel and stick tiles go on fast and give your tub area a whole new look. No grout, no mess, just instant impact. You can always trim the pieces to make sure that they will fit around the corners and edges to give you a fully seamless look that is professional level. Want your shower curtains to feel a little more elevated? Cut in two and tie each side back for a simple high-end hotel vibe. And here's a fun one, a valance made from poster board. Yes, really. Cut the board into a few pieces and then wrap some fabric around it. Then easily install over your bathroom lighting and you've just created a super easy elevated lighting design. Want to update your bathroom vanity? Simply add painter's tape, remove the doors, and then paint your favorite color and you'll have a whole new bathroom makeover. Back to organizing, we're upgrading more jars, this time with a rustic twist. I love using these upcycled jar organizers in my bathroom to hold simple things like cotton balls, Q-tips, or even hair ties. And don't they look just beautiful sitting on your bathroom vanity? Let's talk floors. I love the way this flooring in this bathroom turned out. However, I wish that it could just go up and around the tub in the same way. So let's add some caulk to the back and easily glue them to the side of the tub for a whole new look. Your mirror deserves a frame. Simply find trim at your local hardware store, then cut the edges so that they can form a frame. Now attach to the wall for an entirely new look in your bathroom around your mirror. And while we're at it, check out these peel and stick faux stones for a total upgrade to your bathtub. Now it's time for some cleaning and total upgrades to this shower. First, start with a little elbow grease that will get rid of everything that you need in that shower. Then simply add some paint on top to add an entirely new look to your bathroom shower. Here's a clever trick for adding a curtain into your bathroom when you don't have a place you want to put it. Simply grab a piece of wood and attach some hangers onto it. Now you can easily hang a curtain right up in your bathroom. Add a little color with painted tile details. Just a touch of a design on some of the squares can totally change the feel of your shower or tub area. Here's a rustic bathroom glow-up with painted floors and DIY shiplap walls. Proof that you don't need to do a full renovation to get a fresh and cozy space.